welcome to a new episode of Cooking with Tiffany. I am your host, Tiffany DuBois-Morales. Now, this may seem like a lot of ingredients on my various cutting boards, but I promise this isn't going to be super complicated that you can't make this yourself at home. So for today, we are going to be doing Gochujang Marinated Ahi Tuna Steaks, and then I am going to be doing a jicama, bell pepper, tomato, and onion salad, along with, a dressing that will be made using the same marinade for the tuna. So sit back, relax, and all right, everybody, we are back. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is marinate our ahi tuna. So in this mixing bowl, we have our freshly sliced garlic, which I use 6 whole pieces, and for our various ingredient list, we have the yellowfin from, as always, my buds at Tony's Meats and Market in Centennial, Colorado. The garlic you can find a lot cheaper over at Target. And then we have fresh lemons and limes that we're going to add in here because I want a balance of sweet, spicy, and acidic for the yellowfin tuna. Produce, including these lemons and limes, you can find obviously at Safeway markets. And spices, as always, from my buds in Philadelphia, the Head Nut inside of Reading Terminal Market. In the marinade, we are featuring a new purveyor that we recently came across. If you're in the Golden, Colorado area, there is a fantastic honey shop called Borns in along there, like Main Street in Golden, Colorado, which is about 40 minutes from us out here in Lone Tree. And for this particular dish, I am using their sweet and spicy Colorado honey. So I'm going to be fairly generous with the amount of honey that I'm going to add in, because this was just so amazing that we had to go and get it. It is super local to the area, and they are and have been waiting patiently for me to feature some of their products. So head over to Golden, Colorado if you want to stop by their shop. We're also going to be using 1 generous scoop of the gochujang, because that is where you're going to get all of your fermented spice and heat. And then add in our dried spices, which in this case include black peppercorn, red pepper flake, because there can never be too much heat. And because we're out of fresh herbs, we are going to be using dried oregano, Israeli dill, and dried parsley. We're gonna do one more stir. Add in a little more honey. And marinating our yellowfin tuna in this room temperature for probably 10 minutes before we go ahead and blowtorch them. Up next will be our jicama salad. All right, everybody, we are back. So we're gonna get started on our jicama salad, and then I'm just gonna free-form make the dressing for all of this. But first things first, I want my onions to be extremely thin, so I am going to mandolin slice these bad boys. If you are not a professional, and as your vegetable gets lower and lower and lower, use this, which I'm going to at this point because it's too low. And then the last of this just gets sliced by knife. But take a look at how thin these are. So we're gonna throw these guys in here. Take our cleaver and just do a very thin slice. In tomatoes, keep it simple, just do a thin slice. Throw it in. No need to be like super fancy or go super fast with your knife. This is meant to be a very simple and casual salad. Red bell peppers, just slice them across the way. And then finally, we have this jicama. Now, jicama, most people think is a cross between a potato and like anything else that's super starchy. The important thing is to know how to cut it, peel it, and then slice it. So first we're going to do reasonably thin slices with our cleaver. Then you want to go and slice each slice as thin as you can get it, or as thin as you can reasonably get it, and add them to your salad. So that's what I'm gonna do with the rest of this. But in a moment, the dressing, and then our blowtorch for the tuna. So we are back. Now, I have gone ahead and seasoned all of our salad. We're gonna throw in one little spoonful of our gochujang. Free pour our sweet and sour honey, sweet and spicy honey. And mix all of this together. This is not any particularly complicated recipe to follow or anything, although in this case I am just throwing this all together. And up next will be our low torch experiment with yellowfin tuna. So we'll be back. All right, everybody, we are back. Now, our final part of this video is blow torching our now sliced ahi tuna. There we go. Because we prefer our tuna to be medium rare in the center. Up next, our finished look. All right, everybody, we are back and check it out. So we have our gochujang and sweet and spicy Bjorn honey marinated ahi tuna, along with a jicama, red onion, bell pepper, and tomato salad. As always, please do not forget to head over to your local protein, produce, and spice purveyors. In our case, we have not so local Head Nut at Reading Terminal Market in Philadelphia, PA for our spices still. Tony's Meats and Market in Centennial, Colorado for all of your seafood and meat, poultry, and other items. Safeway Markets for all of our produce, and Target for the garlic. I am your host for Cooking with Tiffany, Tiffany DuBois-Morales. Bye.